that apple? Thank you. Could I read your diary, please? Thank you. You must do the homework. You should come today. Would you like to be my friend? They might be traveling. I will do that. Shall we start? What's this? Can, could, shall, should, will, might, may, etc. What's this? Yes, these are called as modal verbs in English. These are called as modal verbs in English. So total, there are 10 modal verbs in English. Okay, first one is can, could, may, might, must, how to, shall, should, will, would. These are the 10 modal verbs in English. Okay, so let's discuss in detail. First one, can. Where we can use this can? Yes, we can use can to show our ability, inability, asking for permission, request, etc. So here I am showing you an example for this can.
They can do it easily. Can I go to toilet? Can you do this?
Now next one. Where we can use this could. We can use this could for asking the permission, request and suggestion. Okay, here is the example for this could.
Could I read your diary? We could go to Goa.
And next one is may. Where we can use this may. May come in, may go to toilet. You use it to ask to your teacher, right? So what are things we can use? Where we can use this may? Yes, asking for permission and future possibility. For asking permission, we can use may.
May I go to toilet? He may become the next Prime Minister.
Okay, and next one is might. Something that might be. Or happening in present, something that might happen in future. Something that happened in future or something that happened in the present. We can use that word might. They might be traveling by bus. They might be traveling. That means the present situation, and they might help us in digging the ground.
They might be traveling by bus now. They might help us.
We can use this might in present and in future. Okay. And next one is must. Where we can use this must? Yes. Necessity, something not to be done. Necessity and something not to be done. Necessity means you must do the homework. Your teacher used to say, right? You must do the homework. That means we must end this fight. Let's end this fight. We must end this fight. These are some examples for this must. Okay. And next one, how to. How to. O-U-G-H-T-T-O. How to. Where we can use this? Saying what's right or correct. Saying what's right or correct. We ought to help the poor. We ought to help the poor. That means we should help them. We ought to help the poor. So we can use that saying what's right or correct. What's the right thing. We can use that word ought to there. Okay, and the next modal verb is shall. Shall we start? Like offer. We can offer something. Shall we start? That's an offer, right? That means shall I receive the call? Shall I receive the call? Okay, shall I receive you? Okay, so that we can offer. We can use that word shall to offer something. And next one, should. Should. Saying what's right or correct and suggesting something. You should suggest that. You should do that, girl. You should go to trip. You should go and learn something. That we can use saying what's right or correct, and we can suggest something. And here you have some example for this should. And next one is will, where we can use this will. Quick decisions, offer, promise, something that will certainly happen in future. Okay, so we can like offer. Will you come with me? That's an offer. And promise, I will do this. I will do that. I will definitely do that. So there we can see the word will. And like here you can see some examples for the will.
I will speak to him. I will do this without fail. People have a good time next year.
And the last modal verb is would. Would, where we can use this would, asking for permission, request, invitation and preference. Would you like to do that? That's a question, right? Would you like to do that? And I would prefer to drink tea. I would prefer to drink.
Could you add some sugar to the tea, please? Would you like to come to my place? I would prefer tea to coffee.
So these are the 10 modal verbs. Again, I am repeating. Can, could, may, might, must, ought to, shall, should, will and would. These are the 10 modal verbs in English. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to write each example, one each example for this 10 modal verbs. Okay, and let's discuss more in our DCS about this modal verbs. Okay, thank you.